Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Swingvy Tutorials. My name is Anna and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up general claims information. Let's get started. So to set up claims for the admin, you go here to the top. But before I click on this, I just want to show you that you will see claims here on the left-hand side. Not to confuse you, but this is for the employees, for them to do their claims. So for you, we click here on claims. Okay, now we are in the claims module. So to get started, we click on settings. Under general, the first step is to set the cutoff date for your claims. So you go to edit and set your date and save. Then you go and set currencies. And save. But just to make sure that once you set the currency, you will not be able to change it again. So make sure that you set the correct currency from the start. So the last step on this is you have to set the approver. So who's going to approve the claims? You go to edit and you can choose from these three following options. Either you choose your head of department, the person that the employee reports to, or when you click on one approver, you can select any of your employees. And once you made that choice, you click save. Okay, that's it for now. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up claim types. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at support@swingvy.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.